Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to our channel Gadget Pro. Are you looking for a discreet and accurate way to track your health and fitness? Look no further than the Amafit Helio Ring. In this video, we will explore its feature, design and build. So let's go. This lightweight and stylish ring is crafted from titanium alloy and weighing at just 4 grams. It is the perfect accessory for anyone looking to monitor their health and fitness without the bulk of smartwatches. The Amafit Helio Ring boasts an impressive range of features, including sleep quality tracking, heart rate monitoring and stress tracking. It's also including an ADS stress response monitoring system, which track your body physically response to stress. The rings also including advanced health tracking features such as body oxygen level monitoring and VO2 max tracking. It even provide a personalized fitness data, including full recovery time, training load and training effect. The Amafit Helio Ring is compatible with both Android and iOS device and has a battery life up to 4 days. It's also feature wireless charging. It is easy to keep your ring powered up and ready to go. Overall, the Amafit Helio Ring is a stylish and feature-packed accessory that's perfect for anyone looking to take their health and fitness tracking to the next level. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget like and subscribe for more informative content and unique gadgets.